Hello, dear students. Today, with the help of small activity, we are going to study about balanced force and unbalanced force. We took a cardboard box, tied a thick string to its two sides, and kept it on the smooth surface of the table by tying a weighing pans of equal masses in both of the pans. We found that the box did not move on the table, but when we added a more mass in one of the pan than the other, box started moving in the direction of that pan. Equal gravitational force acted on the both of the pans when equal mass were there in the pans. This means that balance force acted on the box with effective force. On the contrary, when more mass was added in one pan than in the other, the box started moving in the direction of that pan with more mass. When unequal force was applied on the box, an unbalanced force acted on the box, resulting in imparting motion to the box. Children playing tug of war pull the rope in their respective directions. If the pull of the force is equal on the two sides, the rope does not move. If the force is more on the one side, the rope moves in that direction. This means that initially the two forces are balanced. The rope moves in the direction of higher force when the forces become unbalanced. Let us see one more example. When big grain storage container is required to slide on the ground, it becomes easier if two persons push it rather than one person. When the force is applied by both in the same direction, the movement is easy. Dear students, from those all activities, we got a definitions of a balanced force and unbalanced force. Balanced force. Forces acting on an object which does not change the state of rest or of a uniform motion of it are called balanced force. Unbalanced force. The resultant of two opposite forces acts on an object and brings it in a motion. These opposite forces are called unbalanced force. Force can produce the following effects. A force can move the stationary object. A force can stop a moving object. A force can change the speed of a moving object. A force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can change the shape and size of the object.